G'day, I'm Grant from Aircon Solutions, and we're all about providing you a temperature control solution for your zoning systems, for your home. Today we're going to be talking through how to go about programming up a new wall sensor or a wall sensor that just seems to be playing out for you and not seem to be connecting with your system. So there is two styles of wall sensors that the Gen 3 or the Intelligent Life control system zoning system has. One is the hardwired wall sensor that you see here in the demonstration. We've got one that's got the cable running in it. And then there's the other style, which is the battery style. You have AAA batteries that go into them. And they communicate, these wall sensors communicate with the antenna that's located generally on top of the fan coil, like this demonstration I've got here. And today we're going to show you about how you go about programming that up. So how do we go about programming up the wall sensors? First, we need to be able to get into the back screens of these touch panels or the service page. We've already done videos before on how to do this, so I'll refer you back to those videos on YouTube to how to access the service page on the Gen 3 or Intelligent Life touch panels. So, when you purchase a wall sensor, and we have wall sensors for sale, if you would like a wall sensor or a replacement wall sensor, we have them available. Please go to our eBay page or follow the links in our below on this YouTube channel. So we've already spoken about before, we've got made videos on how to get into the back screen or how to get into the service page of each of the two different styles of Gen 3 or Intelligent Life touch panels. So once we're in the back screen, we're going to go to the zone page, and we want to scroll through the zones and find the zone that we want to program the wall sensor to. So we're going to go to the study. So we have the wall sensor here, so we're just going to install the batteries as per the diagram on the wall sensor itself. So we just put these in. So the light turns on because it's a new wall sensor, it's never been programmed. So we put our finger on this button. So there's a button here that we just push and hold. So now we want to push the program RF sensor. So we push on that. When we push on that, you'll see the light now starts to flicker. There's a rapid flicker to that. Take your finger off the button. So that is now programming up that wall sensor. You can confirm this by pushing the location button, and you'll get a slow flash on the wall sensor. Then we can push the button on the wall sensor to stop that from happening. And then we push the RF sensor test. So that now testing the signal between the antenna and the wall sensor. So you can see here it says please wait. That's come up for 100%. Beautiful. So anything greater than about 80% is deemed okay. Ideally, the higher the percentage, the more accurate it is, and the less dropouts you're going to have, and less warning signals you're going to get on the touch panel. Now, if you wanted to reprogram a wall sensor that's not new, you're going to find all you got to do is pull out the batteries, and then you reinsert the batteries. What this does is it wakes up the wall sensor, and then it allows the wall sensor to do two-way communication for about a minute. So again, if you want to program it, you push the button, little button on here, you got the yellow light or green light turns on. You push the program RF sensor, and again it's flashing. So after about a minute, the wall sensor stops communicating both ways, and then it will start to do a pulse, and just every 90 seconds or every 180 seconds it sends a signal with the data. From here it will say, all right, I'm now this temperature, and sends it to the control system. What happens sometimes is if the signal is not strong enough, the control system itself does not pick up that signal, and after a number of cycles of missed communication with the control system, the touch panel will then bring up a warning signs to say that wall sensor is either got low batteries or is losing signal. And then from time to time you will find when you go into the zones itself that wall sensor is actually not displaying the temperature, and then you lose the climate control function. Thank you for watching. We invite you to follow us and also check out our online stores.